Today, I'm dropping the ultimate blueprint for an AI side hustle that'll have you raking in the cash while catching those Z's. Buckle up, cause we're about to turn your creativity into a money-making machine. Imagine this. You roll out of bed, grab your phone, and boom, a flood of sales notifications, all while you were sleeping. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's the magic of AI-powered digital products, and I'm here to show you how to ride this money-making wave. Stick around for the next few minutes, cause this could be your ticket to saying goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind. Oh, and before we dive in, I got a treat for you. Stick around till the end to learn about a free training from John Thornhill, a ClickBank big shot who's cracked the code on million-dollar funnels. Trust me, it's mind-blowing stuff. So, what's the game plan? We're talking about creating stunning digital products with AI, slapping them up on Etsy, and watching the cash roll in. As your business grows, you'll graduate to your own website, scaling this passive income machine to new heights. But here's the kicker. We're not replacing your creative genius with AI. Nope, we're using AI as your personal art assistant, amplifying your unique ideas. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Let's kick things off with some killer market research. Your secret weapon? Mangles, your new best friend in the SEO game. Head over to mangles.com and sign up for their free trial. Fire up their KW Finder tool and start brainstorming. Think minimalist bullet journal templates or AI-generated coloring books. Look for keywords with high search volume and low competition. That's your sweet spot. Jot down a handful of promising niches. Baby. Now for the fun part, unleashing your inner artist with an AI sidekick. Choose your weapon, Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion. They're all beast mode for different styles. Start with a basic prompt like minimalist bullet journal spread with moon phases. Then, refine your prompt. Add details like black and white, dotted grid background, or hand-drawn style. Generate a bunch of variations. Remember, quantity breeds quality. Pick your favorites and give them the human touch. Maybe add some hand lettering or tweak the composition. Pro tip, create templates, not just single images. Think packs of 10 to 30 related designs. More value equals a higher price tag. With your art ready to go, it's showtime. Etsy's your launch pad to the stars. Set up your shop with a catchy name that vibes with your niche. When creating your listing, use those Mangles keywords in your title and tags. Write a description that sells the dream. Don't just list features. Paint a picture of how your art will transform their life. Price competitively, but don't undersell. Start around $5 to $10 for a pack of 10 designs. And make sure to set up at least 10 listings to look legit. Variety is the spice of life and sales. As the sales start rolling in, it's time to level up. We're talking your own digital kingdom, baby. Head to hosting.com and snag a domain name that screams Digital Art Wizard. Choose a hosting plan. Start small. You can always upgrade as you blow up. Install WordPress and a sleek e-commerce theme like Astra. Then set up WooCommerce to handle your sales. It's like Etsy on steroids. Create product pages that pop, using customer testimonials from Etsy to build trust. Now we're cooking with gas. Time to build a sales funnel that'd make even John Thornhill proud. Create a lead magnet. Maybe a free pack of 5 designs to get him hooked. Set up an email sequence that showcases your best work and builds hype. Offer a limited time discount to your email subscribers. FOMO is your friend. Once they buy one pack, offer a complimentary pack at a special price. Upsell, baby. Keep creating, keep optimizing, keep scaling. As your digital product collection grows and your traffic explodes, you'll start to see the true power of passive income. You'll be making money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, or while you're creating your next masterpiece. But don't rest on your laurels. Keep using Mangles to stay ahead of trends. Continuously improve your products based on what your customers love. And don't be afraid to experiment with new styles and ideas. There you have it. Your blueprint for building a thriving digital art empire with the power of AI. From using Mangles for research to leveraging AI in creation to scaling with your own hosting a powered website, you now have the tools to turn your creativity into cold, hard cash. The digital art world is waiting for your unique touch. Why not start your journey today? And speaking of starting your journey, remember that free training I mentioned? John Thornhill, the guy who's helped thousands of entrepreneurs build killer online businesses, is spilling his secrets on creating million-dollar funnels. The link's in the description. It's an opportunity you'd be crazy to miss. Thanks for hanging out, future art moguls. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of digital art you're pumped to create. Your success story could be just around the corner.